I'm Jess. Let's count some of the things in my house. The first person to shout out the right answer is the winner. Let's look in my pencil case. How many pencils can you see? Yes, that's right. 18. Let's count the trees in my garden. How many are there? Yes, that's right. 12. Here are my washed t-shirts. How many can you see? Yes, that's right. 13. I love collecting bows. How many do I have? Yes, that's right. 19. There are lots of bananas on my dining table. How many are there? Yes, that's right. 11. Look at all my shoes. How many do I have? Yes, that's right. 14. I love watching movies. How many DVDs do I have? Yes, that's right. 50. Look at all the cups in my kitchen. How many can you see? Yes, that's right. 17. Here are all my books. How many are there in my bookcase? Yes, that's right. 16. Did you see all my pets? How many pets do I have? Go back and count them all.
1, 2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine.
Yes, that's right. 20.
Look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show.